welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lenora T, aka Banso Diva. Subscribe. Today we'll be doing something completely different, and like I told you guys on my Instagram, if you're not following me on Instagram, by the way, make sure you follow me so that you're up to date with stuff like this. However, today we're going to be doing a sneak peek early gender DNA blood test. This is the box that they sent me. This is a home kit. You can find out the gender of your baby as early as 8 weeks with 99.1% accuracy. Don't say I said 100%. 99.1% accuracy. And so I'm basically just trying to find out the gender of my baby as early as I want. You can do this before you actually get your results from the doctor or from your ultrasound. So we're going to go ahead and do this test at home. It's very easy, very convenient. As you guys can see, I'm coming to you guys very comfortable in the comfort of my home. So we're going to do this step by step. I'm gonna take you guys through the entire journey with me, and I'm going to do a voiceover because it's a lot of steps. Okay, I've seen videos online and it's a lot of steps, and I don't want to get confused or mix up, so I'm gonna do a voiceover, and then at the end of the video I'm gonna come back and talk to you guys. Okay, as a bonus, at the end of the video I'm actually gonna tell you guys the gender of the baby. I'm not just going to show you the result and then leave you hanging. That's not fair now. So let's get right into it. I'm excited. Let's do this. Okay, all right. First things first, you want to start by cleaning your work surface or wherever you'll be doing this DNA collection. And I'm just wiping down my work desk with some Lysol disinfectant and a paper towel. You can use any household cleaner or just warm soapy water. And then now this is a sneak peek box. This is what it looks like. This is what the kit looks like. It comes completely sealed because they don't want it to be contaminated with male DNA. And so you want to keep this box far away from your husband, your fiance, your boyfriend, your son, even your male dogs. And so when you open the box, the first thing you see is the instruction manual. I love the instruction manual because it uses a lot of pictures and very few words. And you can also check the link down below to a YouTube video on how to do this collection test. It's very easy to follow and very fast. First step, you want to drink 8 ounces of water or more before starting this test. I'm just drinking my water I think it's just to make sure that your blood is flowing and good. And you want to wash your hands for 20 minutes straight with soap, and the brush that is provided in the box is also at the very top. You can see it as soon as you take out the instruction manual. And then dry your hands only by air drying or shaking them the way I'm doing. Don't wipe it with anything or don't touch anything, and don't wipe it, just air dry them. And now I'm just taking everything out of the box. This is just the biohazard bag for the collection tube, alcohol wipes, and bandages. That's the brush I use to brush my fingernails. These are the lancets or the needles that I'm going to use to prick my finger, and then the rubber band that you're going to put around your wrist to get the blood pumping nice and good. This is the collection tube as well. That's where you'll be putting in your blood. And before I start anything, I'm going to put it in the hole that is provided so that it's ready for collection. And then you want to stand up for the remaining part of this video and swing your hand around in circular motion, as well as do a tight fist, open and close 10 times. And then you put your rubber band on your hand. You want to be standing up the entire time for the rest of this video. And then now I'm preparing the lancet or the needle to prick my finger. You want to use either your middle finger or your ring finger, and you use only the top outside part of your fingertip. And so before I go ahead and prick my finger, you want to use an alcohol wipe to clean your hand to make sure it's completely clean. And so using an alcohol wipe, I'm using my middle finger. Yeah, I'm using my middle finger to collect the blood. And so using the lancet, you just want to press it into your finger and the needle is going to prick it. And immediately the blood starts flowing. Remember, don't sit down. You want to do all of this standing up. Applying pressure in a downward motion on that middle finger towards the collection tube. You want to be careful not to, create a mess. It's okay if you create a mess, but you want to be careful and put the drops directly into the collection tube. The collection tube has a bit of a liquid that looks like water, but don't wipe it out, don't shake it out, just leave it in there. It's supposed to help the blood do something. I don't know. And yeah, you can see me here just trying to get the blood out, press it into the collection tube, and you're supposed to collect, I think about 0.5 line. There's a 0.5 black line on the collection tube that you see when you're doing this. I had a hard time getting my blood out. I tried applying pressure to the middle of my finger. I tried putting it upside down. It was just a complete fail. I don't know what happened. I don't know why my finger was not producing blood. And so I went ahead to just wipe down my finger and try another finger, which is the ring finger, of course. And so I pricked my finger again. I used the alcohol wipe. I wiped my finger and then I pricked my finger again. And this time it was much better. I don't know what the difference was, but it was much better. I was able to get more blood out of it and fill up the 0.5 line on the collection tube. And after I was done, you want to invert your finger facing upward to stop the blood flow. And then using an alcohol wipe, I just wiped it down and bandaged my finger to completely stop the blood because I didn't want to make a mess with blood everywhere on my work surface. So after you've collected your blood, the instructions tell you to tap the collection tube on the table several times and then invert it back and forth 10 times. And then taking the bag that says biohazard, you want to put the collection tube inside and seal it. And when you do that, you use the clear container that comes in the kit to put this bag into it. You're going to fold the bag into two and put the biohazard bag with the collection tube inside this container. This container also has a barcode at the bottom, so you want to take note of that barcode and use it to activate your kit. If not, you'll be wasting your time with this whole process. It's very important for you to do that. And then using the other plastic bag that comes in the collection kit, in the gender kit, you're going to put it in that plastic bag and then put it in this bag that they sent to you that has a trackable link, and that's it. You're done. So you guys, now we're all done. Our package is ready to be shipped. I'm gonna take this to the post office like right now. It's advised you don't put it in the mailbox because it's a blood sample. You don't want to mess with the temperature, so you want to give it directly to the post office instead of putting it in your mailbox. It's already prepaid. I just have to go give it to them. I don't have to pay for anything, and then I'm going to get my results in 72 hours via email. Okay? Also, I just want to say this whole process was so easy. The only problem I had, like you guys can see in the video, was actually getting my blood to flow, but I fixed that problem by using another finger. Hopefully that's not an issue. I hope it's not an issue. But yeah, it was really easy. It was very convenient. The instructions were very easy to follow, and I hope I was able to really explain what I was doing to you guys. It took me approximately 15 to 20 minutes to complete. It was it was a breeze. Honestly, it was really a breeze. Only the little problem I had, but the entire process was a breeze, and I can't wait to get the results. I'm gonna leave a link down below where you can get your own SneakPeek kit. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comment section. I'm gonna try my best to answer all your questions. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.
I see that. Okay, let's do it. Ready?
5.
No, Jesus.
Jesus. Okay, you guys should spell Jesus.